In the quiet of the morning light, a journey starts with a single step, moving through the shadows of the night. Promises of peace that must be kept. No borders here, no lines in the sand, just the beating of a million hearts, bringing healing to a weary land. This is where the revolution starts. Step by step we walk for peace. Let the echoes of our kindness rise. May the sounds of all the conflict cease underneath the vast and open skies. It's a path of love, a path of grace. Hand in hand we find our way, seeing hope in every stranger's face, walking toward a brighter day. A sacred seed, a gentle prayer, carried through the wind and through the rain. Breath by breath, the heavy air we share is washing out the ancient stains of pain. The road is long, but our spirits high. One vision fuels the steady soul. Beneath the same eternal endless sky, peace is our only final goal. It's not the distance, it's the love we bring. It's not the destination, it's the song we sing from heart to heart. Let the message flow everywhere.